our culture and our heritage to not just Indians. We want to make sure that people from other cultures come and see, experience our food, our cultural programs, look at, do some shopping. And Wilmington seems to be a place where we get a good mix of crowd. Normally, most of us go to a restaurant, we have a buffet. It's virtually the same kind of food week after week. So what we are trying to do here is expose non-Indians to other variations of Indian food. Because as you travel within India, you'll find different kinds of food everywhere. We're trying to get that variation in this festival.
Indo-American Association started about 38 years ago, and it's an amazing organization, non-profit, not tied to any religion or anything, and our objective is to try and help assimilate Indians and Americans and get to know each other's culture, help them merge into society much easier.